This is the Logitech G Pro X TKL Rapid, and Logitech says it's so fast it can literally shave milliseconds off your reaction time. And yeah, that sounds like classic gamer marketing, but after using this for competitive shooters, long work days, and late-night ranked matches, I realized something. This keyboard isn't trying to be flashy, it's trying to win. But is it actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's talk about it. Logitech G Pro X TKL Rapid Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the Logitech G Pro X TKL Rapid, released in late 2024, and it's aimed squarely at competitive gamers, especially FPS players. TKL means 10 keyless, no number pad, which gives you more mouse room, and Rapid refers to its magnetic analog switches with rapid trigger technology. This sits at the premium end of the market, coming in around $199, and it's designed for people who care about raw performance, not RGB gimmicks. Logitech worked closely with esports pros here, and it shows. This keyboard is all about speed, precision, and consistency. Logitech G Pro X TKL Rapid Performance. Specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? In short, ridiculously responsive. I use this keyboard for everything from Valorant and CS2 to Apex Legends, and the first thing you notice is how little effort it takes to register a key press. The switches actuate the moment you start pressing and reset the moment you lift your finger. No delay, no dead zone. In fast-paced shooters, that translates to snappier strafing, faster counter-strafes, and cleaner movement. You genuinely feel more connected to your inputs. It's one of those things that's hard to explain until you go back to a normal mechanical keyboard. Then everything suddenly feels sluggish. And it's not just for gaming. Typing feels smooth and controlled, especially once you adjust actuation points in the software. There's no noticeable input lag thanks to Logitech's 8,000 Hz polling rate, and I never experienced missed inputs or stutters. Is it going to instantly make you a pro? No. But does it remove hardware as a bottleneck? Absolutely. Features and tech. Let's talk about what actually makes this keyboard special. Magnetic analog switches with rapid trigger. Instead of traditional mechanical contacts, these switches use Hall effect sensors. That means the keyboard measures how far a key is pressed, not just whether it's pressed. Why does that matter? Because you can customize actuation points down to fractions of a millimeter, and keys reset instantly when you release them, perfect for competitive movement. Adjustable actuation per key. Through Logitech G Hub, you can fine-tune each key individually. Want ultralight WASD keys, but firmer modifiers? You can do that. This is huge for tailoring the board to your playstyle. Tournament-ready simplicity. No wireless, no detachable gimmicks, just a rock-solid wired connection, onboard profiles, and a layout that esports players actually use on stage. Subtle, clean RGB. Yes, it has RGB, but it's understated, clean, professional, and easy to disable if you're not into the gamer aesthetic. Design and build. Design-wise, Logitech absolutely nailed the pro look. The keyboard uses a solid aluminum top plate that feels dense and premium with zero flex. It's not trying to be flashy. This is a keyboard that looks like it belongs at a tournament desk. The keycaps are PBT, so they don't get shiny or greasy over time, and the typing angle is comfortable even during long sessions. The TKL layout gives you tons of mouse space, which FPS players will appreciate instantly. One thing to note, it's heavier than it looks, but honestly, that just helps it stay planted during intense matches. Pros. Incredibly fast and responsive rapid trigger switches. Fully customizable actuation points per key. Rock-solid wired performance with zero lag. Cons. Expensive compared to standard mechanical keyboards. Software can feel overwhelming for casual users. Final verdict. So, who is this keyboard actually for? Look, if you're a competitive FPS player or someone who takes rank play seriously, the Logitech G Pro X TKL Rapid is an absolute no-brainer. The speed, control, and customization genuinely give you an edge, and once you get used to rapid trigger, it's hard to go back. But if you're more of a casual gamer, a variety streamer, or someone who just wants a nice typing experience for work and play, this might be overkill and overpriced. You could save money with a traditional mechanical board and be totally happy. This keyboard isn't about looks or hype, it's about removing friction between you and the game, and at that, Logitech absolutely delivers.